Alright, I think I'm pretty much done with the setup. Well, a little mock-up anyway. 3 pumps, 8 batteries, 115. Pretty much what I have left is gotta throw some bulkhead fittings up in there, run the hoses too. I gotta glass in all the holes I made up in there. I'm gonna glass in the quarter panels, make them nice and strong. I gotta build a little amp rack, try to get it in here, try to go for like 2 amps, hopefully, maybe. Gonna shave the trunk lid. I'm gonna do that next weekend. Make it nice and heavy, nice and strong. Just to get a little idea. Nice clean street setup. And that's about it.